Hi friends, let me show you these solar post cap lights that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, they have all the installation accessories that you require. Okay, as you can see, they have the solar panel on top and they will give a nice lighting at night. Okay, you get 4 lamps. They are built of really resistant material, resistant ABS material, and they are waterproof. They are IP65 protocol compliant, so they can be in the outside with no risk, with no problem. You get the user manual, okay, and you can easily install them. Okay, let me tell you. So you just have to screw this to the post where you are going to install them, and you can see these holes. That's where these other holes will align, and you will use the screws provided to fix it there so it won't move. And this is the on-off switch. Let me show to you. I'm going to cover the solar panel and turn them on. So they are ready to work. As you can see, they will turn on when there is no sunlight and turn off when the sun comes up. So, perfect. Let's try them. We'll wait for night to see how they turn on. Perfect. As you can see, now that the light is almost gone, the lamps are on, giving us a nice lighting in our front part of our home. Beautiful, beautiful light that will charge every day with the sun and give us this lighting in the night. I think they are really nice, they are perfect, and if you want to have a nice light detail in your house, in your patio, in your garden, these lamps are really nice. Thank you.